Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to generate the dummy data for test. Okay, if you're working on a project, you need to add some data to the project, like MySQL table. So you can create the table as well as you can generate the hundreds, thousands of rows of data without no effort. With okay, here just you have to go to this website. Okay, filldb.info. Click on the start here. Just here some example they have given, like a create table, authors and everything. For example, I'm going to take this one only. Here they have mentioned create table authors, that is a table name, ID and auto increment, and file name, that is a variable characters 50. No null, means default is not okay, and null is allowed. Okay, and collateral, and this is a character input type. Okay, here same email variable characters, not null, and birth name, birth date not null, and this is data type they have mentioned here, variable characters, this is integer, and here date, and added on the timestamp. Okay, and primary key will be this ID. Okay, unique index email, so this should be unique. Okay, here we have mentioned like this, and just I will click on submit schematic. Okay, I have submitted the schema. Now let's see what is the next step. Here they are generating, means they have what all the data, what all the tables we have given, it is taking over here. Okay, just I'll go back and I'll show you. Suppose, okay, if I go to this and I'll start with again. So here is one table and semicolon, and here I will take one more table, and authors, like users, I will make users table. Okay, now submit the schema. Here two tables I am creating now. If I click on the generate data, okay, I can click separately one by one. Okay, now I will click authors to be generated, and here it is showing how many, all the fields what we are taking, like for example, what all the inputs they are taking and all. Here we have to just mention the unique ID one, unique one, and number of rows I want to generate, that is 100. Okay, simply I will click on generate, and here I am getting the database ready. It is successfully generated. Okay, now here we can see each and every data is unique data, and we got this with no effect. Okay, with no effort. So just I will click on export, and here the magic happens. I got the database SQL file. Okay, directly this table I can import in MySQL project in PHPMyAdmin. And one more table was remaining, like I will go back again here. No need to go back, just if I click here, I can select the table. Okay, now I will generate the authors table. So here it is generating 100 table, 100 rows. So here it is generating 100 rows. We got this, and just I will export authors to. Okay, now we'll check this. Just I'll go to, before that I'll run the XAMPP. Here I got the shortcut. So now here, until that opens, here I can see open. Okay, still XAMPP is not running, so I'll click once again. So once this is running, so here we'll start Apache and MySQL, and simply once if it is started, I will go to localhost and simply I'll type PHPMYADMIN. So here it goes. It should be running. Okay, MySQL and Apache should be running to get this one, or else it will give the error. Definitely, as I said, it is giving the error. So until this starts, we cannot open this. Once if it is done, I will import the database and I'll show you. So it is taking a time. Okay, it is running now. I'll reload the page simply and import those database tables. Okay, let's check where it is downloaded. I think in downloads only. So simply I will import these tables. So let's check where it is. I think in downloads. Okay, let's open this one. Let me confirm first. Okay, in downloads it is there. So simply I will go to PHPMyAdmin. So here are the tables. So it is starting, it is taking a time. So here we go, it is open now. I will create one database. In that, those two tables I am going to import. Okay, simply I will create one new table over here, new database. In that I am going to import two tables. Here I will give the name like MyDB and create the database. So here import the files. So it is imported now, authors. Now one more I will select, import. Simply I will select that users file. Already I imported authors now. Here is the users table, import. Yeah, no need of change any settings, it is a default setting. Just you can import the files blindly. So here we go, users table is also inserted. Just I'll go to MyDB and check those two tables, and I'll verify the inputs. Okay, how many number of rows have been inserted, everything is okay or fine or not. So here I'll click on authors. Here we can see 25. I'll click on show all. Okay, it will give the error because now we are just showing all the rows, like only 100 data are there. If it is in terms of lakhs of rows, definitely this server, local server or live server, is going to be crashed. So beware of that. It is in local and I'm opening 100 rows only, that's why I can click on show all. Here we go, 100, yes, and we'll verify with the users too.